Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick video, we're going to be focused on how to publish a page in GroovePages. Simply and straight to the point, when you log into your GroovePages and you create a new site, as you can see here, I'm inside my free account and I have one more site that I can create before I have to upgrade to Pro. So I'll simply just go here, click on New Site, and we'll just start a blank site from scratch by clicking on this template here. It looks a bit empty, so what we'll do is we'll just pop over here and we will grab a block and we'll just grab a content block out of the wireframes that we can play around with to publish real quick. We'll just grab this one and drag it over, and we'll go ahead and we'll change this text right here. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's actually what we will call our site as well. So we'll just go ahead and we will go to Publish. As you can see here, you simply go down to Publish Settings, check this Host Your Site with Us, choose a name, Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to publish that. You can see here content saved. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right-click on this and open this link in a new tab and go check out our published site. We're going to bring this down so you can see the URL as well that we're going to on that new tab. So we'll click over here, and as you can see, 30minutemarketing.net.groovepages.com/test12345. Here's our page, test12345. As you can see down here, this site was built with GrooveFunnels. That is the banner that you're always going to have if you don't upgrade to Pro with your free account. Of course, we'll go ahead and we'll just refresh this so you can see it. 30minutemarketing.groovepages.com, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It reloaded. There's the page. Go back to the page builder again. 30minutemarketing.groovepages.com/test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must go and utilize a subdomain for all your published pages that live within your site. Each site is a subdomain. So for example, go back. If we were to go to 30minutemarketing.groovepages.com without the subdomain, which is the site that we created, we would get a 404 error. But as soon as we go back to test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to see that our site is loading and our page is loading right there that we created right there under Publish. Publish Settings, Host Your Site with Us, check marked, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That page is fully published, up and running, and available on the internet. If for some reason you are having issues with anything inside of GroovePages or GrooveFunnels, for example, if you don't see your site published, which you saw instantly that my site was published here in this video, simply come down here to this little purple triangle with this question mark, click on that. That will open a direct channel to support with GrooveFunnels. As you can see right there, you can start a conversation. You can start a conversation with email. You can also check for answers. And you can see how to contact support, publish in your own domain, as well as you can search in the search bar right here. So it's just that simple to get started and start publishing pages. And of course, if you don't have your free account yet, check the link in the description. Click on that. Get your free GrooveFunnels account. Start playing with your first 3 sites as GrooveFunnels is still in beta. Of course, they are working out a few bugs. Go ahead, contact support. Join the community over in the Facebook group. Let's make this a great tool, or the great tool that I think it has the potential to be. I'll keep making videos like this one and keep you updated on the progress as the tool moves forward. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.